Hello, everybody. Thinking about buying a second-hand car? Hold on before you get stuck into lemon. I'm going to walk you through how to buy a second-hand car like a pro. From spotting red flags to negotiating like a boss. Let's dive in. We'll break it down in different steps and show you how you can buy a second-hand car. So step number one, define your needs and budget. Start by asking yourself, what do you need the car for? For yourself, for your family, or for work? Once you know the reason, set a realistic budget and add some small costs like insurance, repairs, and some other maintenance. Now we talk about the second step, do your research. Now go online, check on Facebook Marketplace, check on OLX, you get Gumtree and other platform to see what car you're looking for and how many models you get, what engine you get on the car, and what is selling for, what's the resale value is, and all those things. Check what engine it comes with, check manual or automatic transmissions, known issues, fuel consumption, and other maintenance issues for the model that you are looking for. Now the step number 3 will be check service history, the most important thing. If an owner took care of his car, he will have a proper service history. Ask for well documented service history. If there is no service book or receipts, it means it's a red flag. Step 4 will be inspect the car. That you need to do yourself. Inspect the car physically. Check around the vehicle. First thing, you're going to check the tires. Check how much life they have. Make sure you check the car in a proper daylight, not at night, because at night even the rusty taxi looks very nice. Check for paintwork. Check if the paint is not faded, if it's not rusted anyway. Check gaps between the panels. Inconsistent means it's been repaired before it was involved in an accident. Open the hood and check for any leaks, loose wires, or damage there. Check behind the bumper if the hanging points are damaged, if the car is smashed, if the metal piece is damaged, because sometimes the cars have secrets the owners won't tell you about it. Don't skip the test drive. You must always take the car for test drive. Check for engine noise. Check for the gears if it's taking proper gears. Check for unusual noises. Check if the clutch is right. Check if the brakes are not noisy. And at the end, check if the car stops. And step number 6 will be get a proper mechanic to inspect your car. Even if it looks perfect, have a trusted mechanic to do a proper pre-purchase inspection. This is a small fee that can save you thousands later. A small oil leak can turn into Niagara Falls later. Step number 7 will be paperwork and ownership. Make sure the car isn't stolen or under finance. Check for proper paperwork, logbook, registration papers, and then check if the chassis numbers and engine they match according to the papers. Check if roadworthy certificate required. Check in the system if the car is not stolen. Check for clear history with unpaid fines or claims. Step number 8 will be negotiate the price like a boss. Use your research and mechanics report to negotiate fairly. If repairs need to be done, get a quote and minus it from the total. Try to get it at the lowest price you can. And step number 9 will be transfer ownership legally. Do the transaction at bank or traffic department. Never pay full cash unless you get paperwork. You must always try to do transfer into the bank because it's safer and you'll get a record for it. Keep copies of everything. Remember, a great used car can save your money, but a bad one become a nightmare. Take your time, ask questions, don't rush things because speed kills. Please make sure you like and subscribe and check out our other videos. See you soon. Until the next one, take care and goodbye.